Red Diamond is Too Loyal, back again with another video. Today we're reacting to another Soulsnack video. Tow truck driver puts a boot on police car. Let's get into this, guys.
It seems like the suspect is on foot. Hey you! Stop! Mango Park Police Department!
How you gonna park here? Yeah, I have a cop car that parked here in the legal zone.
Are you serious right now? Where are you? You can't hide forever. Dispatch, Taylor here. Any updates on the suspect's location?
Suspect was last seen heading south on Peachtree Drive, driving a white four-door sedan.
10-4, dispatch. Dispatch, I found the vehicle. It seems to be abandoned in Mango Park Mall on the west side. It seems like the suspect is on foot. Over and out. Hey you! Stop! Mango Park Police Department!
Look at this stupid cop. How you gonna park here in a legal zone and just leave the car here, man?
I feel like when you see cop cars sitting somewhere and it's a legal thing, you don't know if the cop is under investigation or what. Like, you don't know what they're doing, so why would you even mess with it?
Yeah, boss, it's Pedro. I'm at Mango Park Mall. Yeah, I have a cop car that parked here in the legal zone. What do you want me to do? You want me to tow a cop car? Yeah, I think a boot would be better. All right, you the boss, you got it. All right, I'm gonna get the boot right now. Damn it. Always something new.
She gonna be mad when she get back.
Feel sorry for you, copy. Well, you have yourself a good day.
Dispatch, Officer Taylor here. I lost the suspect. He's in a Honda motorcycle traveling on Orange Drive.
10-4, Officer Taylor. We have 2 units in pursuit.
10-4, out. What the heck? Are you serious right now? Hello, this is Officer Patricia Taylor with the Mango Park Police Department. One of your tow truck drivers booted my squad car vehicle. Please send him over immediately. We are in the middle of a scene. Are you the tow truck driver?
Yeah, I'm Pedro.
Okay, Pedro, please remove this from my vehicle.
Yeah, it's gonna be $200. You can pay cash or card.
Excuse me? I am a police officer. This is a police squad car.
Yeah, I'm aware of those two things, but you're aware you parked here illegally, right?
So,
So, I mean, there's laws in the city. You should know that.
I'm well aware of the laws.
Apparently not, because you parked here
But
illegally.
she's doing her job as an officer.
I was on official police business. There's no way I'm worried about whether I'm gonna get towed or not.
Well, you were, so you can pay cash or card. Either or is cool.
Seriously?
All right, look. Between me and you, like, if you pay cash, I can give you 15% off. 'Cause you so damn fine, Officer Beautiful.
Oh God, it is Officer
beautiful.
Taylor to you? Are you really trying to hit on me right now?
I mean, look, you want me to take the boot off or not?
Yes, please, thank you.
All right, so it's gonna be $200.
I am going to call your supervisor and let him know what you're doing right now.
Look, who you think told me to put the boot on your car? I'm just doing my job. You should know that. Come on.
Unbelievable.
Lo siento, mama.
Excuse me. Dispatch, Taylor here. I need you to run a name for me, please.
Go ahead, Officer Taylor.
Pedro
She about to see if she got a reason to take him to jail.
Cortez, Cortez. He's with Auto Flamingo Towing. Let me know if he has any priors or anything.
10-4, officer. Please stand by. Officer Taylor, I have a report on Mr. Pedro Cortez.
Got it, I'm all ears. What is it? Got it. Thank you.
You got him. What is it?
Mr. Cortez,
Please, you can call me Pedro or Papi, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying?
Bobby,
Yeah, what's up?
you're under arrest.
What? I didn't do it. What are you talking about?
You're under arrest for failure to pay child support. You haven't paid for the past 6 months, and you have prior convictions for failure to pay. Now turn around.
No, this can't be true.
It's true.
Please, like, I'll take the boot off. I have no problem. I promise you, I'll take the boot off right
Where's
now.
the keys?
It's in my back pocket.
All right. You're under arrest. Failure to pay child support. Ain't taking care of your kids.
Oh,
And don't move, because I will tase you.
I mean, I'm not into that freaky stuff, but you know, take it easy.
Good.
Still joking.
Can I ask one
Be
more
quiet.
question? You like Dominican food? There's a spot downtown, you would love it. Well, I'm gonna need that.
I don't care. Let's go.
Can I ask you just one more question?
What is it?
You free Friday night? Cause this is Mofongo spot. It's fire. The food is banging.
You don't quit. Let's
I mean, dude should have just took her boot off when she asked.
go.
Come on, little Mofongo, little bachata. I can get the moves.
Get in the
Come
car.
on, mommy.
Watch your head.
He's still trying to
Look,
play.
I'm just trying to. You need some love in your life.
Not from
You
you.
really gonna?
Unbelievable. Another day in Mingo Park.
Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more videos, and I'm out.